Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, that is adding pictures and organization charts in PowerPoint. Okay, MS PowerPoint program is a part of MS Office package. Fine. Now it allows the users to create the presentation. Now we will learn some additional features such as inserting pictures or graphics images like logo, picture, clip art and organization charts in the presentation. Fine. So this chapter is all about how to add pictures and organization charts in PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So let us start quickly. To insert the pictures, first we will see how to insert pictures using Insert tab. To insert pictures using Insert tab, there are certain steps. We need to follow that steps. Okay, the steps we will be seeing in practically in the video, in the following video. Okay. Also, we will see about inserting clip art using Insert tab. Okay. Uh, to insert the clip arts, also there are certain steps. We have to follow that steps to insert the clip art in MS PowerPoint. Fine. Now, when you open the presentation, any of the presentation, when you open, suppose you open a blank presentation. Here I am using the presentation I have already created. Fine. Wherever you want to, in whichever slide you want to insert the image, open that slide and from this ribbon, from this tab options, click on Insert tab. Okay. When you click on Insert tab, you will find one section of images. Okay, and in this images section you will find one option of pictures. Fine. Click on that pictures option and a dialog box appears on the screen. Insert picture dialog box appears on the screen, and from that, wherever your image is saved, go to that location and double click on that so that your image has been inserted in your slide. Fine. Suppose my image is in class 1 chapter 1 class 3. Okay, that folder, in this folder these are the 12 images I have created. Fine. Now suppose, for example, I want this image, slide 5. Okay, these are the images, these are not the slide. I want this images, and from this, after you click on that particular image, then click on this insert option. Here at the end right side, insert option is there. Click on that insert option and you can see that this is the image. Okay, this is not the slide, this is the image that has been inserted. Fine. So in this way you can insert the image inside your presentation. Okay. Next concept is Microsoft Clip Organizer. Okay, the clip organizer or any image organizer helps us in organizing our clips in the presentation. Okay, the function of clip organizer is to organize our clips in the presentation in a proper manner. To open the Microsoft Clip Organizer window, we just click Organizing Clips present at the bottom of Clip Art task. You have to first go to Insert tab. Inside Insert tab, you will find the Clip Art option. Okay, when you click on that Clip Art option, a dialog box appears on the screen, and from that, at the bottom, you will find one option of Organizing Clips, and you have to click on that organizing clips to use this Microsoft Clip Organizer window. Okay, now we can browse through the clip collections. Okay, we can search for any new clips present. Then besides, we can also add our own clips according to the need of our work. Fine. Now next is clips on the web. If your computer is connected to the internet, click the option clip art on Office Online at the bottom of clip art task pane. Okay, this we will see it practically. Then the Microsoft Office online websites appears on the screen. Here you can search for clips, clip art, photos, animation or sounds and include them in your presentation. Okay, the only requirement is your computer should be connected to the internet. Okay, now this is your PowerPoint presentation, and suppose you want to insert the clips or images from the online, you have to insert. Okay, the images are not present on in your desktop, but you have to import that images or clips from internet. Okay, online you have to insert it. Then what you have to do, you have to click on first insert tab. Okay, by default we are in home tab, but to insert pictures or clips online you have to click on insert tab. Inside insert tab there is one section of images. Okay, inside that images section you will find one option of online pictures. Fine, when you click on that online pictures, here my internet is not connected in my desktop, but if your computer is connected to internet, here Microsoft website will appear on the screen, and you can search your clips, images, whatever you want according to your needs of work. You can search it on that website and you can insert it directly into your presentation. Okay, fine. So this was all about how to insert the online images in your presentation, online images or clips. Fine. So in today's class we have seen how to insert images from your desktop or laptop inside your presentation, and also we have seen how to insert clips or images from online. Okay, online how you can directly insert your clips or images inside your presentation. Fine. So I'm attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve that worksheet and send it on my email. Thank you.